Here in this chapter we will study what is a definition of computer, block diagram of computer, hierarchy, classification of computer, characteristics, computer system hardware, computer memory, input output devices, definition of software, software types, system software and application software, definition of operating system, what is operating system and what is its types, working with Windows and operating system, and introduction to free and open software, and definition of computer viruses and its types. So we will start introduction to computer. In day-to-day life, computer is a very important. It is used for reservation of tickets, processing of business data, searching something information from the internet, weather forecasting, and diagnose of some disease in hospital or in medical. So computer it can also use in school, colleges, universities, organization, music and movie industry. Computer, it is a basic word derived from compute, and here compute means nothing but a calculator. It is basically an electronic machine which can accept the data or which can take the data from user and processing on that data performs particular calculations, particular operations on that, and generates desired output from this particular raw input. So it can perform simple and complex operations, some simple calculations, and it can perform also some complex calculation. It can store information, retrieve information, and process data. So what is a computer? It is an electronics device which can take raw data as an input from a user and process data under the set of instruction. Here user gives us instruction. Stages of a computer. There are some basic stages of a computer. That is, first is the input. Input means raw data entered in computer from input devices. For entering a input, we can use input devices. It is maybe a collection of letters, maybe a collection of numbers, or maybe a collection of images, etc. So process. Operation performs on data as per instruction. It is a totally internal process. We can perform some different operations on that input raw data. So by using that instruction, by using that particular instructions, and it is a completely internal process. Output. Output is processed data given by a computer. After data processing this output, it can store it on devices. So what is output? Output means processed data. दॅट मीन्स जेव्हा आपण इनपुट दिलेलं असतं त्याच्यावरती इन्स्ट्रक्शनचा यूज करून आपण काहीतरी डेटा डिराईव्ह केलेला असतो. प्रोसेस्ड डेटा म्हणजे इनपुटवरती प्रोसेस करून जो काही डेटा डिराईव्ह केलेला असतो, दॅट डेटा इज कॉल्ड ॲज प्रोसेस्ड डेटा, अँड दॅट प्रोसेस्ड डेटा इज स्टोर्ड इन स्टोरेज डिव्हाइसेस. Next is definition of computer. Computer is electronic data processing device. It is an electronic data processing device which accept and store input data. Computer can accept and store input data and process that input and the output process data in required format. Computer can stores input and accept the input and stores input and after performing particular operations on that input, that particular output we can get in required format. Next part is characteristics of a computer. Speed, it having a high speed. Accuracy, computer are highly accurate in arithmetic operations. Errors are mainly human or technological. Accuracy means computer is highly accurate, it can't do some mistakes. It is highly accurate in arithmetic operation. Arithmetic operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And errors are mainly human or technological weakness. Human error means suppose we can divide number by 0, we can subtract small number from getter number, so it is a human error. Technological weakness means suppose your keyboard is not working, mouse is not working, so it is not a fault of a computer, it is a fault of a technology or fault of some human, or error is basically human made. Reliability, it performs same job in a same way for any number of a time. It can perform same job in a multiple way and any number of time. Diligence, it works hours without creating errors, perform many calculation with accuracy and speed. Diligence means what? It can work many hours without creating any errors and performs many operations and calculation with accuracy and higher speed. Power of remembering, it can stores and recall any information. That means any information we can store in our computer and we can also recall that particular information. Integrity, ability of computer to carry out the sequence of instruction. Computer can carry out some sequence, some number of instruction. Versatility, computer can perform any task. No feelings, computer are not a human being, so it are free from emotions. Generation of computer, there are 5 generations of computers. First generation, it is from 1942 to 1955, it is vacuum based. Second generation is from 1955 to 1964, it is a transistor based. Third generation is from 1964 to 1975, it is integrated circuit based. Fourth generation is from 1975 to 1989, it is a VLSI microprocessor based generation. Fifth generation is from 1989 and onwards, it is a ULSI microprocessor base.